Are you gearing up for a trip to London? If that's the case, pay attention. Today, we'll delve into essential travel tips for an amazing London adventure. London boasts a dynamic atmosphere filled with a beautiful history and unique culture. However, getting around may pose some challenges. We're here to simplify your journey with valuable insights and practical suggestions. Firstly, think about obtaining an Oyster card. This card helps you cut costs on public transportation. Just tap it at the entry and exit gates. Next, get acquainted with the tube map. London's underground system is vast and complex. Knowing the routes will help you save time and reduce any uncertainties. Another suggestion: strategize your sightseeing itinerary. Organize attractions based on their locations. For instance, visit the British Museum close to Covent Garden before heading to Trafalgar Square. Additionally, take advantage of complimentary attractions. Numerous museums and galleries offer free entry. Utilize these opportunities to enhance your experience without exceeding your budget. Remember to verify the opening hours. Some attractions have early closing times, especially on weekdays. Create a schedule to ensure you don't miss any must-see locations. When dining, seek out local pubs or eateries. They typically serve delicious meals at more affordable prices. Steer clear of tourist traps that tend to hike up food prices. The weather in London can be quite unpredictable. Bring along an umbrella or a waterproof jacket. This simple preparation will ensure you stay dry and comfortable during your visit. Lastly, immerse yourself in the local culture. Take the opportunity to converse with residents. They often reveal hidden treasures and excellent recommendations. To recap, obtain an Oyster card, familiarize yourself with the tube, plan your visits strategically, explore free attractions, check opening hours, dine at local establishments, prepare for rain, and connect with locals. By embracing these suggestions, your London trip will be smoother and more satisfying. Are you ready for your adventure? Start planning now and make your London dreams a reality.